What is up, beautiful people? Welcome back to another video. We are out camping for a 3-night on the river. You probably can't hear it, but we are literally right next to the river right over there. The mosquitoes are going crazy, so we have our head nets on, probably looking a little crazy. This is my beautiful fiance.
Hello.
Welcome to the videos. This is the first scene. But yeah, mosquitoes going crazy. See you guys in the morning for all the next adventure stuff. So the river that we are on, having our beautiful coffee, is the and Buc-ee's is called the Androscoggin River, which I did a little bit of research, and Native Americans, specifically the Abenaki, would use this specific river as a means of transportation from one end of the river to another, transporting goods. So a little fun history fact that I'm gonna continue to bring to you from different places that we travel to. So peaceful. All right, beautiful people, we are out. I began fly fishing maybe like 3 weeks ago, and so all my fly fishers out there, I know my technique is trash, and we're just trying to figure out how to do this. I have caught 4 fish, but that was on a pond. This is my first time on a river. You know, fishing is all about having fun and enjoying it. Yes, catching fish, it's obviously the point of fishing, but I think even if you're not catching anything, it's still fun. What's up, beautiful people? Welcome to Jess's Kitchen, where all the camp meals that we make out here are not just your typical ramen and all that nonsense. We're going for premium here. Premium, okay? So we got the steaks and we got the mashed potato. Yeah, keep it simple, but keep it enjoyable. Toasty. What better way to spend a Wednesday night in July in New Hampshire than by the river and with some steaks and with a beautiful girl behind the camera, my beautiful fiance. It's all right. We got a ton of trees behind us, so we're practicing a different casting system than the traditional overhead. It's working better than the other day, that's for sure. And if we catch something, we catch something. If not, remember, all about the learning process.